how to add a poll to a caption on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Instagram app. All right, as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click the plus button at the below left corner, and I'm gonna just select the photo that I want to choose. Right, let's have example. I want to add a, let me just select like a picture of this Instagram logo. Right, hit next at the top. Right, hit next, and here it says write a caption or add a poll. I'm gonna just go ahead right here and add a caption, like I'm going to add a caption, but I'm gonna click right here, create a poll, and here it says add a poll right here. I'm gonna just go ahead, is this good, right? And I'm gonna just hit the question mark, yes or no, basically. And gonna just hit OK. And now what's gonna happen, you're gonna be able to share it onto your Instagram right here. And basically eventually you're gonna see your Instagram appearing to you like this. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the comments, and you're gonna be able to vote right here. All right, let's turn on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.